Let me talk to him.
Shorty at them apple bottom jeans with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, Shorty got low, 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 low. Them apple bottom jeans with the fur. With the fur. Apple bottom jeans with the fur. They got low, 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 low. Shorty at them apple bottom jeans with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor.
Nice view right there. See the water down there. See some clouds. This is the Stegosaurus spine going up to the peak. Arlington Peak, is that what we're going to? Yeah. Arlington Peak it is.
Next thing you know, they got low, 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 low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the strap. Made that big booty slap. She hit the floor. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, they got low, 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 low.
Shorty, what I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap and they ready for shows. Cadillacs made back for the sexy grown. Patron on the rocks that'll make you moan. One step, come on. Two steps, come on. Three steps, come on. That is 3 grand, but you think okay? Baby girl, I'm the man. I get a rubber band.
She hit the floor. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, Shawty got low, 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 low. Shawty got them apple bottom jeans with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, Shawty got low, 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 low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the strap. Made that big booty slap. She hit the floor. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, Shawty got low, 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 low.
It's literally like, it's like there's another human being at the opposite side
There's 8 of them.
calling back to me.
Worlds apart. You're standing in front of me, but you're so far. It's getting hard to think of the reasons we stay in the dark. Would it be for the better if we both just surrender and let it go? Being with each other is breaking our hearts. Tell me what we're fighting for, and is it really worth the battles? We've been going back and forth like an echo, 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 echo. I heard you, then you hold me close. We get up on the highs and lows. We've been going back and forth like an echo, 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 echo.
Some twisted game. I want you so bad, yet I push you away. Repeat mistakes. At some point we thought love would conquer the pain. Your eyes, they look like heaven. We use love as a weapon when we're saying